We have given decimal number and we have to rewrite this number to rational fraction. So first, what this mark above 1 and 4 means? It means that these two digits repeat. So we have 3.0141414 and so on. So we can now rewrite this number that this is 3.0 plus, we have 3 and 0, so now we will have 0.0 and we will have 1 4 because 1 4 repeats, so we take these two digits together plus, and now we have 3014, so next is 0.00014 plus, and now it will be 0.0000014 and so on. So we see that the terms of the series except for the first for an infinity geometric progression, where first term a1 is 0.014, the second is this, third, and so on. So now we need to find the r. R, when we have geometric progression, we have to find the r, have to take two consecutive terms and divide second one by the first one. So for example, if we take a2 and a1, so we will have 0.0014 over 0.014. So this is equal 0.01. If you take a3 and a2, you will have the same constant number. So because we have here geometric progression, infinity geometric progression, r is less than 1 because absolute value of r is less than 1. R is 0.01, so absolute value of 0.01 is equal 0.01, and this is less than 1. So we have here infinity geometric series converges because absolute value of r is less than 1. If the series is convergent, the sum is given by formula. S is equal a1 over 1 minus r. Only when absolute value of r is less than 1 we can use this formula. So now this whole sum, infinity geometric series we have here, we can calculate this sum by using this formula. So a1 is 0.014 over 1 minus r is 0.01. So this is equal 0.014 over will be 0.99. So this is equal, we can change this to fraction, so it will be 14 over 1000, and we have 99 hundredths. So this is equal division of two fractions. So we copy first fraction, change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction, so it will be 100 over 99. Now we can reduce zeros, so we have that this is equal 14 over 990. What else? Because 14 and 4 and 0 we have at the end, so we have here even numbers, so we can reduce by 2, numerator and denominator. So we have that S is equal 7 over 495. So we have the sum of this infinity geometric series, but don't forget about the first term. Our decimal number 3.014, we can rewrite that this is 3 plus, and this infinity geometric series we can substitute the 7 over 495. So this is equal 3 and 7 over 495. We change this decimal number to rational fraction. This is my solution.